Alright, so here's what we got. I rebuilt this motor, rebuilt the carb, done a few things to it, reseated the valves, but for whatever reason now it's all back together and it doesn't work. I think it has something to do with the throttle here, that linkage piece. I think that lever right there should be on that screw whenever everything's just kind of idling, but it's not. I'm not sure what's going on. I can start it, it'll start up. If I put the throttle all the way up, it'll just rev up really loud like the engine's going to blow. But if I turn it back down, it doesn't idle, it'll just die on me. So here in a minute I got some more videos kind of showing what it does and how it runs, and just trying to see if there's any help you guys can give me. Kind of lost here and just want to get it running again so I can get going. But yeah, this is just the throttle. I'm just moving the throttle in and out, the choke, and like I said, I've rebuilt the carb a few times, and it's getting gas, but it just doesn't seem to work right. So not sure what's going on, but I can make more videos, kind of do whatever you guys think would help, but just let me know. Thanks.